The figure shows the arrangement of desks in the classroom. Madhuri, Meena and Pallavi are seated at A, that is 3, 1, B, that is 6, 4 and C, that is 8, 6 respectively. Do you think they are seated in a line? Give reason for your answer. Solution. Given A, that is 3, 1, B, that is 6, 4 and C, that is 8, 6. Using the distance formula, we have distance is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance between A, B will be under root 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square, which is under root 3 square plus 3 square, which gives under root 9 plus 9, that is equal to root 18. Root 18 can be written as 3 root 2 units. Distance between B, C is equal to under root 8 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square, which is under root 2 square plus 2 square, which gives under root 4 plus 4, which is equal to root 8. And this root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 units. Distance between CA is equal to under root 3 minus 8 whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square, which gives under root minus 5 whole square plus of minus 5 whole square, which is under root 25 plus 25 equal to under root 50. And this root 50 can be written as 5 root 2 units. Now AB plus BC is equal to 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2, which is equal to 5 root 2 units. And this 5 root 2 is equal to CA. This implies that AB plus BC is equal to CA. Therefore, the points A, B and C are collinear. Thus, Madhuri, Meena and Pallavi are seated in a line.